Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol F, Ford. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Before we get started, from a disclosure perspective, I do own Ford in my retirement account, so just keep that in mind, from the long side, I should say, as I go through the analysis. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute, in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, earnings came out and all that. And I mean, when you think about where the price was at its lows just on Wednesday, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price closed today, any rational person will say, yeah, the price definitely made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at $8.50. Why is $8.50 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying that. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $8.50. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, that would literally be putting the price. So if the price action did something like that, now all of a sudden the price is right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but has a pretty drastic pullback, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, even after a drastic pullback like that, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, the overall stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the, quote-unquote progress point, if you will, as $8.50. As far as areas of resistance, in my opinion, I'm not even concerned about those. My top priority right now as somebody that does own shares from the long side is, let's just see if the price can start to build some higher bases and, build an overall uptrend, because as long as the price over time is building higher bases, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So my main focus is, let's see if the price can start to make progress and build higher lows. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.